Okay, so if you're scrolling online, like at all, you're just bombarded, right? New stuff, tempting offers everywhere.
Oh, absolutely. Constantly.
And Henrigirl Jewelry specifically keeps popping up. They've got these really attractive deals.
Yeah, I've seen those. Lots of buy one, get one free type
It's
things.
exactly. And the jewelry itself, it's positioned as affordable, trendy, but also practical. They make a point of saying it's tarnish resistant.
And hypoallergenic too, which, is a pretty big plus if you have sensitive skin.
For sure. They say it's all about helping you express your style, feel confident, that sort of thing.
Which is great marketing speak, but, well, the core question always comes down to trust, doesn't it?
Right. Can you actually trust this website, henrygirl.com, with your money, your payment details?
That's the mission for this deep dive. Is it legit? Or is it just another well-designed online scam waiting to happen?
So standard procedure, we ran the site through a check. We used Scam Advisor. It's a pretty common tool for getting a quick third-party read.
Yeah, aggregates data, gives you a trust score. So we plugged in henrygirl.com.
And what came back?
Well, honestly, it was pretty striking. Henrigirl got a perfect score.
100 out of 100.
A perfect 100.
Seriously.
Scam Advisor explicitly tags it with a high trust rating. Says it's, quote, safe to use.
Okay, wow. That's definitely a strong start. A perfect score is hard to argue with.
It is. But, sometimes those scores can be, well, maybe influenced or based on recent data only. We needed something more concrete, something historical.
Right, like independent verification that goes beyond just a current rating. So what else did we look at?
We looked at the domain itself, henrygirl.com, specifically its age.
The domain registration history. Good call. And
This, I think, is the most compelling piece of evidence we found. The domain, henrygirl.com, is 19 years old.
19, wait, 1 to 9, 19 years.
19 years. Think about that in internet terms. That's practically ancient history.
Yeah, no kidding. Most scam sites, they barely last 19 weeks, let alone years.
Exactly. That's the whole point. Scam operations are fundamentally designed to be temporary. Pop up, grab as much cash as possible, and then vanish.
Yeah.
PFFT. Gone.
Usually within a few months, right? New domain, flashy site, then disappear.
Precisely. So when you see a domain with a nearly 2-decade history, well, that's one of the strongest indicators you could possibly find that you're dealing with an established real business. It's just not how scams operate.
Okay, that context makes the perfect trust score feel completely solid now. You don't accidentally stick around for 19 years running a scam operation, especially online.
Not a chance. The longevity backs up the score entirely.
So bottom line, that buy one, get one free coupon people might have seen, they can probably use it without, anxiously checking their bank balance every 5 minutes afterward.
Based on this evidence, absolutely.
Yeah.
henrygirl.com looks completely safe. It appears to be a legitimate company, definitely not a scam.
That's really good to know.
And what's useful here, beyond just vetting this one site, is that this process itself gives you, the listener, a really reliable, quick method for checking out almost any new online store you come across.
Right. Those two key things we looked at. First, get a quick read with a trust score from a tool like Scam Advisor. But then, crucially, dig a bit deeper. Look for that domain age, that longevity factor.
Exactly. If a site's been operating successfully for 5, 10, maybe even close to 20 years like this one, that historical data is incredibly difficult to fake. It speaks volumes.
Makes sense. It's a solid check.
Yeah, and it leads to a final thought, maybe something to mull over. We've just seen how a nearly 2-decade run strongly suggests legitimacy for this jewelry company.
Right. Stability,
Yeah.
history.
So flip that around. When you see a brand new online business, maybe something that just popped up 6 months ago, but it's suddenly everywhere, tons of ads, what might that very newness, combined with heavy advertising, suggest about its long-term reliability? Or even its viability? Doesn't automatically mean it's bad, of course not, but
But that domain age gives you a powerful lens, a different way to evaluate all those pop-up ads and new stores you constantly see, a bit of perspective.
exactly. It's another tool in your toolkit for navigating the online marketplace safely.